Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To permanently delete our Instagram account, we should look at the bottom for the option Privacy. Click on it. Then, on the left side, click on Managing your account. And then we choose the option Delete your account. We have several options. Click on How do I delete my account? Here we can read about it. We must click on Delete your account page. Here, Instagram asks us, why do we want to delete our account? We choose the option, according to our reasons. Then Instagram asks us to enter our password again, for security. Finally we click on Permanently delete my account. We click OK and that's it. Now, what if we just want to deactivate our account for a while? That is, don't delete it, just hide it. What we have to do is click on Edit Profile. After that, we look down the option Temporarily disable my account. Click there. Here, we must click to choose the reason why we are deactivating our account. In this case I will choose something else. Then we must write our password for security. Finally click on the Temporarily Disable Account button. When you press this button, your photos, comments and likes will be hidden too until you reactivate your account by logging back in. If you are sure, click Yes. Then, in order to activate it, we just need to log into our account. But this can't be done right now. We have just deactivated it. We have to wait a few hours before we can activate it again. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.